Heavy rain has caused severe flooding in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, submerging low-lying areas and disrupting road and train services. Rains continue to batter several parts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, causing severe flooding, landslides, damage to properties, and also crippling normal life. Train services have been disrupted and schools have been shut in Hyderabad as the coastal states brace for more rain in the coming days.
Extremely heavy rains are being reported in both the Telugu states of Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana. In fact, up to 20 centimeters of rain was recorded in coastal Andhra Pradesh districts, and also almost 30 centimeters is the prediction that is given for Telangana as well. And red alert has been sounded in several areas of Telangana, at least 6 districts of Telangana, and multiple areas in Andhra Pradesh as well. The worst reports that we are getting is, of course, in Vijayawada, where entire roads are said to have been flooded, and we have also seen landslides that happen in Mogalpura area as well. Landslides claimed lives. Overall, 8 lives have so far been reported to have been lost in these floods, but dramatic visuals coming in of flooding, of roads getting inundated and actually invisible, virtually invisible. The roads are invisible because there is so much of water that the roads are invisible. The railway lines have been the tracks have been, in some sense, the gravel has been washed away from below, and therefore train services have been disrupted as well. 3 things: the NDRF, the SDRF are already on the field and are also being put on standby in both Vijayawada as well as in Hyderabad for any emergencies. Almost 80 people have been rescued by these forces, along with the state police force as well in Vijayawada. In fact, from Two Town police station, we have seen a very flooded police station itself, and near the Kaza toll gate, which is in between Vijayawada and Guntur, in that area as well, the flooding is so much that the police have in fact put out videos appealing to people, saying that even the big heavy vehicles are not able to move here and they're getting washed away, and therefore to stay away from the National Highway 1 and to stay indoors in safer places if possible, and not to stay in the vulnerable areas, in the low-lying areas, or in areas where there is fear of any landslides happening. In Telangana, all educational institutions have been closed. We are also hearing about the flooding, of course, all along the districts which are adjoining Andhra Pradesh as well, and of course Nalgonda, Kodad, all those areas are reporting flooding as well, and we are expecting a little more of moderate to heavy rains in several areas of Telangana.